doing environmental tests.
It's just an idea, and it starts to come together over many years. It's so complicated. Almost ready to shift to the page. It's an amazing. It's the raw ingredients of building planets that we haven't seen before.
Except one more question, I know everyone's probably like planet, our solar system, and its larger.
4 years, a long time.
Hi.
Yeah, but I'm saying just to get to the asteroid.
Once we get close enough to start seeing it well on our cameras, using that whole projector and the spacecraft to bring us right up to Asia. That's what the departments are working on right now.
So the Psyche mission is going to visit an asteroid which is called Psyche. And it is a large metal asteroid, a unique body in the solar system, 150 miles in diameter approximately, and made of 40 to 60% iron nickel metal. That makes it a unique body in the solar system. We visited worlds made of ice and worlds made of rock and worlds made of gas before, but we've never visited a metal world. So we'll get to see something unique and different for the first time. First of all, there's really only one body like this that's this big and made of metal in the solar system. So the big mystery is, where did it come from? How was it created? One of the theories about it is that it was once the inside of a forming planet, because the planets that we know, Earth, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, have metal cores inside of them. So this may have been the metal core that was forming inside of a baby planet, which then collided with other planets that stripped off, forming planets that stripped off that rocky mantle, just leaving a piece of that core in space. And if that's the case, then by studying this body, we'll be able to study the cores of planets like our own, the Earth, in a way that we could never do otherwise. We are launching this August is when the launch window opens. We're going to go launch and do a Mars gravity assist, go by planet Mars, and then continue on to the asteroid using electric propulsion. There is nothing like the experience of sitting on console on launch day and hearing all the people go around and say, we're go for launch, and then finally getting to say yourself, we are go for launch. It's the culmination of all those years of effort, all those hundreds of people working, and so it's super exciting when you actually, finally say, we're go, and we're going to get that beast into space.